Hello and welcome to a very brief overview of some tweaks in the Model Explorer's presentation of capsule structure inheritance in Papyrus-RT. So as before, we create a new generalization in capsule 2 to inherit capsule 1. So here we see all the good stuff filtering in from capsule 2. In fact, not even looking at the Model Explorer, the first thing we'll notice is that now the inheritance of ports on parts is shown according to the inheritance of those ports in the class in the capsule that is the type of the part, not according to the inheritance of the part itself. So this is a part typed by capsule 3. Evidently capsule 3 inherits protocol 3 port from some other capsule and defines this protocol 1 port for itself. So that is now an alignment that we have of the visualization with what you can actually do in editing these things. So for example, this is not an element that can be excluded because it's not inherited. This is an element that can be excluded from capsule 3 in the context of this diagram capsule 2. Anyways, looking at the Model Explorer again, now we see that in fact the inherited content does not show up by default in the Model Explorer. So we have the generalization, of course, but we don't have these inherited things. If we want to see them, we can enable the inherited structure facet, and then we see them as we did before. But now this is not the default presentation. So let's just get that out of there. But of course, once some element is redefined, either by excluding it, so now it shows up in capsule 2 because now it needs to actually be made real in the model in order to record the exclusion, or if it's otherwise altered. Let's change the replication here. Now it also shows up. This one has, of course, the redefinition indication. This one has the exclusion indication. And also new, despite that it does have ends for well-formedness of the UML structure, the connector, an inherited connector does not show them in the Model Explorer. So there you have some small tweaks in the presentation of inheritance in Papyrus-RT. Thank you.